Use a 15mm open-ended wrench to unscrew the right pedal in the direction of the rear wheel. Use an 8mm hex key to unscrew the right crank screw in the direction of the rear wheel. Screw in the crank puller. Turn it in the direction of the front wheel and remove the crank chain wheel. Install the chain onto the chainring. Install it parallel in the opposite direction of the crank on the other side. Apply thread locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the crank screw. Screw the pedal marked R into the right crank in the direction of the front wheel. Use a wrench to tighten it.